Hello guys, we are studying in Government Engineering College Bhuj in 6th semester civil. My name is Vidhan Chawla.
I am Gadvi Milap.
I am Akhil Kumar.
And today we are going to discuss about to determine the rate of infiltration and infiltration capacity using the double ring infiltrometer. Generally, the equipments used in this experiment include double ring infiltrometer, which is 30 cm inner diameter and 60 cm outer diameter, and 25 cm height. It also includes wooden hammer, hooks gauge, timer, source of water, plastic sheets, and data sheets.
The rate of infiltration and infiltration can be determined by double ring infiltrometer. The double ring infiltrometer uses the low concentric metal rings to determine the infiltration characteristics different as the rings as a double ring infiltrometer method. The method measures the vertical rate of entry of water into the soil surface. The inner cylinder is used to measure the infiltration rate, while outer one is the guard for bending a water buffer area. The double ring infiltrometer method is modified for a simple infiltrometer used in increasing the accuracy results. There are two cylinders. The inner cylinder is of 22.5 cm and the outer cylinder is of 35 cm diameter. The water level in the annular space between the two rings is kept at the same level as the ring inside with water effects due to the water coming out of the inner ring. Thus, the outer ring provides a short jacket to the inner ring, and the water in the inner ring infiltrates vertically downward without spreading. This is the diagram of the double ring infiltrometer shown.
Infiltrometer calculations that we have carried out at the field, we have carried out in the interval of the 3 minutes. The point gauge reading of the water is of 26.1 centimeter, and the infiltration rate of the water is of 0. Then the 3 minute reading of point gauge reading is 22.7 centimeter, and the infiltration rate is of 3.4 centimeter. The diameter of 3 minute comes the reading of point gauge reading 19.8, and infiltration rate is of 2.9 centimeter. And of 9 minute, the point gauge reading of 17 centimeter is of 0.8. The average infiltration rate is of the whole total of divided by 3 comes equals to 3.03 centimeter. For the 3 minute, average infiltration rate is of 3.03 centimeter. For the 60 minute, average infiltration rate is 60.6 centimeter. Thank you.
Take a double ring infiltrometer. Place the inner ring with the cutting edge facing down on the ground. Put the driving plate on the top of the inner ring. Rings fits over between or within the pins on the bottom of the driving plate. Use the impact absorbing hammer to insert the infiltration ring about 5 cm vertically. Remove the driving plate from the inserted infiltration ring. Place the outer ring with the cutting edge facing down around the inner ring, and put the driving plate on the top of it. Keep the depth of the placement as limited as possible. Insert the rings in any case to below a particular top layer. Insert the outer ring in the same way as the inner ring. The shape of the driving plate will ensure a depth identical to that of inner ring. Push the ground back to the ring. A disturbed crust can be healed using bentonite or other soil mix. Place the measuring breech with measuring rod and float on the inner ring. Remove without disturbing the soil structure. Any vegetation that may hamper free movement of the float or affect measuring. to protect the ground surface when pouring the water. Use plastic foil, a jute cloth, sponge, sand, gravel or your hand. Fill the outer ring with the water. Then the inner ring to approximately 5 to 10 cm. Start measuring immediately to determine the infiltration curve. The water level within the infiltration ring should be as low as possible. To ensure vertical infiltration. The ring should not go dry. It is recommended to fill a 5 to 10 cm. Add water when only a few centimeters of water are left in the rings. Write the new levels in the column B. Keep the water in the inner ring and outer ring at the similar level. Stop measuring only if the infiltration rate has reached a constant value. Remove the rings using the pull-out hooks. Rinse the rings. Make sure no earth sticks and sets to the rings. Proper maintenance will prevent unnecessary disturbance of the soil upon installation. And hence the further calculations can be carried out and the rate can be known.